Hi, and welcome to your class notebook. Let's take some time to get acquainted with the basics so you'll be ready to start using the notebook when you need it in class. First, let's talk about how to access your class notebook. You can gain access to your class notebook several different ways. From the student resource page on the school web page, click on Office 365 and log on. Click on the icon in the upper left-hand corner to access your OneNote app. Then select your notebook. Sapphire is another platform you can use to access your notebook. Simply navigate to the class page and click the link. If you wish to bypass a few clicks, you can bookmark your notebook to your web browser's bookmark bar. Depending on the browser you choose, this process will look slightly different than mine. Perhaps you'd like to be able to access your notebook offline. Click the Open in OneNote button. Here, you are using your laptop's OneNote app rather than the web. This could come in handy when you're using your notebook to take notes or complete homework assignments. If you decide to access your notebook in this way, you will need to regularly sync the notebook with the latest online version.